Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. I actually ordered from Lazada a 199 peso mystery box. However, I was really surprised when I received a pouch. I did not really expect to receive a pouch. I thought they were giving me a small box. So the pouch arrived today. My husband paid 228 pesos. So 199 was the amount for the pouch. Excess of that is the shipping fee, of course. So so I was expecting for a box when my stepbrother, no, when my half brother handed me the pouch. I said, "Ate mo na." So yeah, what do you expect from 199 pesos? I hope there's something in it that can make me happy. So I'm gonna show it to you now. Alright, so yeah, I received this pouch tonight and it has my details here. So let's go ahead and open it. I hope there's nothing deadly inside. Hmm. Item number 1. A cable protector. There are actually 4 pieces with different colors. I think this is already something good to start the unpacking. I'm gonna use this for my cords. I actually have good cords now, but I'll just give it something. I'll just use this to make it, to give it purpose, right? So thank you, Lazada. Item number 2. Oh my god. Ungrip. I actually have one of these from Globe and I did not use it because I have a rubber case on my Huawei phone. But still, thank you. I'm gonna be giving this to my son again. Thank you, Lazada. Item number 2. Iwan na nila. Para sa phone. I actually have one of these before. Flashlight. Plug into USB port. This product can use with power bank glass and all other. So I have this one before. I had orange before. So you can connect this to your laptop, your power bank in case you need light. If you want to read something, you don't have electricity, then go ahead and use this one. Still useful though. Not bad for 199. Third item. Last item na. Cord. Adapter. For charging. For data. So I have a USB cable. And I believe that's already the last one. So I received all 4 items. This ungrip, giving it to Xenon. This for the cords, for your charger so that it won't break easily. If you need this, there are 4 of these. I'm gonna be using the pink and the blue. You can have the green and the black. The cord. Of course, this is very useful, especially when transferring data, charging your phone. Wala di ka? Wala pa na uli ni Kuling. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna be giving this as well to Zenon. Dali. Reaction ni mo. What's your reaction kung ihatag na ko ni mo?
Pero,
Sige, atras. What's your reaction if I give this to you?
ayun din natin.
Yeah. Sorry na ba? Sige, thank you speech to Lazada, Zenon.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so Zenon got most of the items. This is going to be handy during brownouts. I'm gonna be keeping this. So this goes to Zenon. And I'm gonna be getting the pink and the blue. Green and black goes to Zenon. So yeah, basically that's the 199 peso that I spent for the mystery pouch, and a total of 228, including shipping. Because they actually had a pakulo that if ever you buy a mystery box, out of every 300 boxes, there will be 1 box which has a phone. Unfortunately, we did not really get that box because we had a pouch. Na-scam ka nun? Na-scam ka? Okay, so let's guess how much this costs. Usually, if you buy a cord in stores, in cell phone stores, it costs 150 at least. So remember, this pouch cost 199 without the shipping fee. So let's say this is 150. How much do you think this is, Zenon Mayor? 80? You're just guessing, right? Flashlight for 80 pesos. We're just guessing. So that's going to be 230 pesos already. And how much do you think this is? 20? 40? I'm guessing it's 20, but he's guessing it's 40. So 230 plus 40 is 270. Where's the other one? 300. I'm not sure how much this cost, but Globe gave one away before, so ilim tagan-an nun? 20? 50? 20. So around 300 plus worth of items when you order a mystery pouch from Lazada. So I think it's kind of good, but again, I was expecting for something else. However, I actually saw from the reviews, same products like this one, the flashlight. I saw this in the reviews. What else? Xenon. But anyway, everything will be used and I did not really waste my money. So thank you so much, Lazada, for having mystery pouches and mystery boxes for sale in your online store. If you want to purchase a mystery pouch as well, kindly go to Lazada app and order your own mystery box and mystery pouch, and let me know what you get next time. So if ever you like this video, can we leave a like, Zenomir. Leave a like, and also if you have any suggestions on what items I should be purchasing next in Lazada, can you leave them in the comments below? And also, if you want to show your support to my channel, our channel, my family's channel, kindly subscribe below. kindly click on the subscribe button below. From red it will turn gray once you've successfully subscribed, and also tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. I won't be editing this vlog, guys, because I'm a bit tired from work. So this will be update. Oh my god, this will be uploaded as a raw vlog. So thank you so much. Happy summer. It's already March 2. March 2 ba taro? It's already March 2. I hope you enjoy your summer, lovies. See you in the beach. Bye-bye, and thank you so much for your support. Beach. We're going to the beach March and April. Thank you, lovies. Bye-bye.